On this International Women's Day, we stand at a critical moment in our collective journey towards gender equality. The theme Accelerate Action is not just a call, it's a powerful imperative that demands our immediate and unwavering commitment. The observation of International Women's Day serves not only as a celebration of women's achievement but also as a platform for advocacy and reflection on the challenges that remain. This theme calls upon individuals and organizations to engage actively in promoting gender equality by supporting existing women's groups and initiatives. For generations, women have been architects of change, innovators, leaders, and catalysts for societal transformations. Yet, we continue to face systemic barriers that impede our full potential. Today, we declare that incremental progress is no longer acceptable. We must accelerate our action, challenging existing structures and create transformative pathways for women's empowerment. Tibetan women in Tibet face various obstacles and struggles stemming from the oppressive policies and practices of Chinese government. These women are often marginalized and discriminated against in social, economic, and political spheres due to their ethnicity and gender. They are denied basic human rights, subjected to forced labor, and often face violence and abuse at the hands of Chinese authorities. Many remain illiterate, restricting their ability to pursue higher education or acquire reproductive rights, including instances of forced sterilizations and the government imposition of birth control measures further undermine their autonomy and freedom. Their struggles are deeply intertwined with the broader context of China's policies in Tibet, which aim to assimilate Tibetan culture and suppress dissent. Many Tibetan women are forced into low-paying, physically demanding jobs, leaving them vulnerable to exploitation and with limited social mobility. This economic vulnerability makes them more susceptible to human rights violations. Tibetan women have a long history of struggles and resistance against various forms of oppression. Despite these challenges, Tibetan women have shown incredible resilience and determination in their struggle for equality and justice, and one of the biggest ways to help accelerate action for gender equality is to support the supporters. The theme Accelerate Action is not just a call to acknowledge the challenges women face, but a challenge to actively work towards solutions that empower women and promote their rights unfailingly. As we look towards the future, it is crucial that we continue to advocate for women's rights and work towards creating a more inclusive and equitable society for all. This requires concerted effort from governments, civil society organizations, and individuals to address systemic barriers and discrimination that prevent women from fully realizing their potential. To the women who have fought tirelessly, to those who continue to break glass ceilings, and to our allies who stand in solidarity, this is our moment. Together, we will accelerate action, transform systems, and create a world where gender equality is not an aspiration, but a lived reality. Our potential is limitless. Our time is now. Let's accelerate action to speed up the rate of progress worldwide. Central Tibetan Women's Association. Thank you.
Happy International Women's Day!